Yeah, my people, welcome to another episode of Travel TV. You know, we travel, we see. We're in Maypen, Clarendon today, my people. Maypen, Clarendon town. As you can see the place, you know. Yeah, man, Maypen, Clarendon, big up on the... Yeah, man, Maypen town, you know. Maypen town. And thing, big up yourself every time you're there. I go and feature the place, you know. Blessings, bossy. Yeah, man. Yes, my people, Travel TV, remember to subscribe and think to the channel that we can grow. Tell a friend about the channel, you know. Yeah, man, a lot of features here. So the next thing we're gonna be showing you, this is the fire station. Yeah, man, Maypen fire station, you know. Yeah. So we're there near Four Parts, Clarendon, Palmer's Cross, and then place there, you know. Yeah, man. Real. Yes, my people. Don't know. Remember to support the channel. Yeah, them things are going on in Maypen, as you can see, you know. A lot of animals. Hello. Nice. Big up yourself. Yeah, my people. So, you know, we're proceeding now. As you can see, we're in the heart of Maypen town, so there's a lot of traffic and congestion, just like any other major city in the world. You can't run from it. That big building there is the Maypen police station there. Yeah, man. So we'll take our time maneuver around to come back out on the main road, you know. Yeah, man. Travel TV. We travel, we see. Big up on yourself every time. Yeah, my people, Travel TV, you know, we travel, we see. Yeah, we're entering McCooks, my people. McCooks in St. Catherine. Yeah, man, McCooks between Spanish Town and Old Harbour. You have this place named McCooks It's a very nice community where the people, you know, are very warm and nice. And it's adjacent to the toll road. That is the Maypen toll road. Yeah, man, you can see it runs along it from the eastern side. So this is McCooks, my people. Yeah, man, as you can see, nice rural settings with some housing scheme. Like them set up a housing scheme on part of the land, you know. Yeah, man, so this is McCooks, you know. I'll be giving you some history about McCooks and remember to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, subscribe and share. Travel TV. Yeah, man. Yes, my people, Travel TV, you know. McCooks we're in McCooks presently, people. Peaceful, quiet settings. You know, more closer to nature and everything. You can hear the birds singing, you know. It's a slower pace community than in the city. Yeah. So this is it. McCooks, you know. As you can see, them set up some house. Nice, we call them food for the poor houses, where people have like the land, and then the people is a big cooperation, food for the poor over the world. You have branches in Jamaica and them come and them donate the lumber and other fixtures and come and set it up for the people, and that they can feel a sense of, you know, achievement and independence. It's really good, you know. And then you can see the longer time houses that have been here for a good while. Yeah. So I saw it coffee through, man. We're there. I want to wait for them, you see me? Yeah, man. So we are sure, you know, people, these houses have a lot of history. As you can see, these are from the sugar plantation days when all of them land and most of them places was plantation settings, you know. Yeah, man. So that I go on now. Them houses are from back in them time, as you can see, them are deteriorate. you know. Enough years we look for more than 60 years a house. In them little settings of people. Yeah man. People still living at them now. As of, even though you see them look, people still living at them. McCooks pen. Saying catching. Yeah. So as you can see, Mary Road, that's the little scheme of them make for them. Different from the original McCooks pen. And you know? Yeah man. So yes my people. White Lane, McCooks pen. You know? Yeah man. This is in between Spanish Town and Old Harbour. McCooks pen that stretched there. So you have Big Lane on the left, and this is White Road on the other side. So as you can see, a more natural setting, a bit away from the, you know, the hustle and bustle of the city. Yeah man. So these are the settings. People have built up them little place, you know, you can get them land. And get the land from the certain places. We used to have like sugar cane on the land. It sell out now, so most of them places are town housing scheme also. So them get the land and then food for the poor, donate the lumber and fixtures for the houses. So you find that most of the houses around here are them kind of settings there, you know. So a lot of people are getting assistance and help, and them do them thing. You see some of them foundation of the land, and them start them push out the 2 block from ground, and then them try to get the loan from National Housing Trust and other banks and stuff to complete the work, you know. Yeah man. So that go on E-Travel TV, highlighting the plight of Jamaicans and people all over the world, and letting you people around the world know what is going on, you know, in our country, Jamaica, and internationally. Yeah man. So that are the settings, people, as you can see. Everybody take time do them thing, you know, fix up them thing how them want it. Yeah man, remember to subscribe to the channel. Yeah my people, we're in White Lane, McCooks pen, you know, White Lane, McCooks pen. Now the forest here. Yeah man, all kind of, you don't know, deep settings, more forest settings. I couldn't see what go on, you know. There's a nice lane around this McCooks area named White Lane. White Road, sorry my people, White Road. Yeah man. Yeah man, got a little house there. Yeah man. So you see what kind of settings this people. Up in the rural, you know, all kind of things.